Hello, my name is Sebastian and today we're going to talk about Transmilenio. But why Transmilenio? Well, the last October 27, Bogota chose the government of the next 4 years to the city. And probably mobility is the most important problematic that the city assumes. But do you know what is the situation about mobility in the city? And the most important, do you know what can do the new government to solve these problems? To understand the current situation of Transmilenio, we need to know what is the history of the system and what is the original urban plan that the government contemplated to build the system. This history starts in Bogota, that at the moment of contemplate Transmilenio was a city with a population of more of 7 million people, and Transmilenio was the first massive public transport system on the city. Before Transmilenio, the mobility of the city didn't supervise by the government and didn't control it. Well, the construction of Transmilenio began in 1998 and it was inaugurated on December 4 of 2000. Now, this map shows us the original urban plan of Transmilenio in the city that contemplates the construction of 19 lines around the most important highways to the city. In addition to the current lines, the plan contemplates lines in highways like Boyacá Avenue, the 68th Avenue, Ciudad de Cali, the Aló, and 7th Avenue. But now we're going to contrast the current situation with the original urban plan of Transmilenio. Today, we can see in this map that only exists 11 of the original 19 lines around the city. But what is the problem with this? This graph will gonna give us the answer with an example. This graph is a projection of the Caracas Avenue that was built to support 53,000 of users in each direction per hour. But this number was surpassed in 2017. Since this moment, the line was operating over its capacity. And you can ask, what are the consequences of this problem? Well, we're going to see them. The most important consequences that this problem produces in the system are three. In the first place, the excess of users in the system generates overpopulation that collapse the stations and the buses, like the picture evidence. In consequence, the system uses more buses in comparison with the final capacity of each line. And we can see the results in the next picture, in a form of a big problem of traffic jam that collapses the system and its efficiency. As a result of this, the next problem appeared, because the overheat in the lines deteriorate the materials of the slabs in the floor, and it's produced that these slabs are breaking constantly, and this generates an increasing in the previous problems in a continuous process that it's repeating in the rest of the lines in the city. So the next question is, what can do the next government to solve these problematics about mobility in the city? Well, this question has two answers. The first is the lines of original plan of Transmilenio in the secondary highways of the city, like the 68th Avenue, the Ciudad de Cali Avenue, 30th Avenue, or 1st of May Avenue. The second part of the solution is complement Transmilenio with other public transport systems. The most important of them is subway, because this system can be implemented on routes that are too long, and this system can move a lot of people in less time. The subway can be implemented in highways without Transmilenio, like the Boyacá Avenue and the Aló. Other example of system that can be complement of Transmilenio is a trolley car, because this system can be implemented for short routes in specific zones of the city, like La Candelaria. An example of the good implementation of this system is the historical center of the city of Medellin. And the final system that can be a complement of Transmilenio is the Regio Tram. It is a small project of public electric train system that connects the city of Bogota with a small village around the city like Funza and Mosquera. And this system can control the grow up of the city in the future. Finally, thanks for your attention.